Welcome to DN Fit. In today's video, we dive into the incredible health benefits of a true nutritional powerhouse, salmon. From its mouth-watering flavor to its impressive array of nutrients, salmon is a superfood that can take your health and well-being to new heights. Salmon, a fatty fish found in both saltwater and freshwater, is renowned for its rich taste and versatility in the kitchen. But beyond its delicious flavor, salmon offers a host of health benefits that make it a must-have addition to your diet. We'll take a deep dive into why salmon is considered one of the healthiest foods you can consume. Join me as we explore its nutritional profile and unravel the science-backed benefits that can transform your well-being. From its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health and promote brain function, to its impressive protein content that aids in muscle growth and repair, salmon is a nutritional powerhouse that nourishes your body from the inside out. But that's not all. We'll also uncover how salmon's nutrient density, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can improve your eye health, support bone strength, and even enhance your skin's radiance. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for this incredible fish and the positive impact it can have on your health. Get ready to embark on a journey of flavor, nourishment, and transformation with the mighty salmon. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's dive in and discover the extraordinary health benefits of salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These essential fatty acids have been extensively studied for their ability to reduce inflammation, promote heart health, and support brain function. They play a crucial role in maintaining healthy cell membranes, improving blood flow, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride levels, and increase HDL, good cholesterol. They help to prevent the formation of blood clots, reduce arterial plaque buildup, and promote overall cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of salmon has been associated with a decreased risk of heart attacks, strokes, and abnormal heart rhythms. Brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids DHA and EPA are vital for brain health and development. They play a crucial role in building brain cell membranes and promoting communication between brain cells. Studies have suggested that consuming omega-3 fatty acids from sources like salmon may help improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Protein powerhouse. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscles, skin, and organs. Consuming adequate protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, supporting immune function, and promoting satiety, which can aid in weight management and prevent overeating. Nutrient-rich. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids and protein, salmon is packed with an array of essential nutrients. It is an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is necessary for red blood cell production and nerve function. Salmon also provides vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, immune function, and optimal absorption of calcium. Other nutrients found in salmon include selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports thyroid function, and potassium, which is important for maintaining proper electrolyte balance and heart health. Eye health. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, combined with other nutrients like vitamin A and antioxidants, play a vital role in maintaining good vision and eye health. They help protect the retina, reduce the risk of dry eyes, and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration, AMD, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, promote joint health, and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Weight management. Including salmon in your diet can be beneficial for weight management. Its high protein content promotes satiety, making you feel fuller for longer. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon have been shown to regulate appetite hormones and reduce cravings, potentially aiding in weight loss efforts. Bone health. Salmon's combination of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium contributes to optimal bone health. These nutrients work together to promote calcium absorption, strengthen bones, and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially in older adults. Skin health. The omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins present in salmon can contribute to healthy, glowing skin. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and keep the skin moisturized, while antioxidants combat free radicals and protect against premature aging. Additionally, the vitamin D in salmon supports skin cell growth, repair, and immune function.